Good morning. Welcome to Salt River Mineral Spa in Clarendon. And here we are. Have a look. Don't know, what time is it? About 7:30 in the morning. And if you have a look, listen to how quiet it is, how beautiful. But it's a mineral spa. You can come down here and swim. In Clarendon. It gets a bit busy later on. But if you just have a look at this. Another glorious morning. And you can come here, buy some food. So let me see what the water's like. As you can see, it's relatively clear. Oh, it's lovely. Look at this. It is surprisingly warm. I know, I can see little fishes. Yeah, I suppose, yeah, we can. If I just leave my garments there, I'm okay. How warm is this?
It's not as warm as I thought.
You want to say anything? Look at it.
Welcome.
Hold on. Hi.
Hello. Welcome to Salt River. Another day, another river in beautiful Jamaica. What is there not to love about Jamaica?
And as I say, it's just after 7. They're preparing to cook here. Families have come out with their children. And it's really glorious here. So yeah, let me take off my garms and go and have a swim.